How to fix search result pane white or blank in Windows 11. Hello friends, we have noticed a weird issue in Windows 11 version 25H2 OS build 26200.2737. Recently we have installed KB509509.3. The issue is when we click on the search box, a white and blank pane appears. You can see on the screen the result is blank and we can't see anything. I think this is a bug which Microsoft should acknowledge. After a long research, I have not found a definite solution, but you can try some steps as a workaround. Try changing the start settings. Click on Start button from the taskbar. Click on Settings. Go to Personalization. Go to Start and play with these three options. Turn off these options. The problem is solved. But sometimes these things don't work. For this, so check it. If it works for you, turning off show recently apps, show recommended files in search, start recent files in file explorer jump list, show recommendations for tips, shortcut, new apps and more. Turn on and turn off and see if the issue is fixed. You can check one more thing whether it works. Go to privacy and security, click on search, scroll down and click on index troubleshooter. Here check this option. Files, folders, apps or settings don't appear in the results and click on next. Click on try troubleshooting as an administrator. Again check this box and click on next. Click on close. Then click on advanced indexing options and make sure that search index is turned on. Also, here search history should be turned on. I have run system files checker tool and DISM tool. They didn't work either. So no need to run these tools. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.